Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. This video I'm going to teach you how you can access your subscription list in Onlyfans. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser, and then what you need to do is hit the subscription button which is on the left hand side. As you click on the subscription button, you can see that this is your subscription list. It consists of bookmarks, close friends, fans, following, restricted, and blocked. You can go ahead and edit your list and even add bookmark. You can search the bookmarks and you can add the bookmark and give them individual names. So let me teach you once again how you can access your subscription list in Onlyfans. Click on subscriptions. It will lead you to this page where you can edit bookmarks, close friends, fans, following, restricted, and blocked. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.